guys, welcome back to another video. We're gonna go hiking again. Okay, hold on, I'll be right back. Oh my god. Yeah, that's okay. It's a box thing. Guys, today we're
London, don't do that.
No,
Don't do that. Dad, don't let him do that, please.
today we are going hiking and
We're not
Mom,
going to
record
destroy
my
things that we
face.
touch.
hopefully I don't film. Well, it's not gonna film upside down this time.
Jeez.
I've been down that road before. My mom's filming this time. Say hi. Okay. Well, let's go see what we can find.
A flower, no flower. It's growing now. So the other one, so cool, so shiny.
Hi, beautiful princess. Esme. Hi, gorgeous.
Look at this. Hey, Mom, this is on cam.
London.
This is on
Hi, London.
animal track.
London.
This is on cam.
London.
Animal track. This is on cam.
Hold on. Okay. Lundy's in the way.
Don't know what kind of tracks these are, but
Looks like deer tracks or moose tracks. Watch your foot, buddy.
moose tracks. I hate mooses. They're scary.
Whoa, those ones are some good ones.
No,
Okay. Yep, looks like deer tracks for sure.
Whoa, what is this? Is this a dinosaur pet? What the heck?
What is that?
Looks like a dinosaur.
Whoa, what is that? No, seriously, what is that?
I don't know, guys.
What kind of a track is that?
Is it a dinosaur?
What?
Okay.
Like, wow, that's... It's right next to a hoof print, though, like a deer print. But why does the other ones...
Some deer were fighting.
This is a 3-toe. Do you not see what that is? And that... What deer do you know has 3 toes?
Maybe something got killed here by a
Come on,
dinosaur.
that's definitely not a deer track.
Yeah. Undiscovered animal, maybe. Dude, I'm just gonna life is so far ahead.
Mommy is sweaty.
Right there, it's gonna be dark.
London, you need to stay back with your daddy. Go back there with daddy, please. You're getting way too far ahead, okay? Hold on, August. I'm gonna... Perfect.
Watch out for
Yeah.
dead animals.
You went off trail a little.
Oh God, I don't want a locust flying in the face. Watch where I step. I don't want that big. Dude, what could have done that? We don't have any dinosaurs anymore. What could have done that?
I don't know, you guys, we couldn't get it on camera, but we found a animal, it looked like a possum, and it was completely ripped. The stomach was completely ripped out in the middle. And we also found a deer leg, just a deer leg. It was,
You hear that?
the rest of the deer was missing. It's like something just ripped a deer leg off. It was crazy. And right after we found those weird unidentified footprints, so yeah, I don't understand. August, you gotta go this way, the same way we went last time. We cannot go that way, baby.
I keep hearing the bushes rumble.
Ouch.
How big is locust?
You should be carrying, oh my gosh, hold on a second, August.
Geese. Try to film the geese.
Okay, so let me see, hold on, let me try to, what?
Toad.
A toad, okay.
Tiny, but it's
Well, I was gonna show you the geese, but August found a toad, so let's see what we got here. What you got, babes? Oh, I see it. Okay.
Come here. I'm gonna try
Can you
to catch
catch it? He's gonna try to catch it, guys.
Mommy, he's gonna get his scroll.
Got it, son? You gonna put it in the bucket? One bucket.
I'm gonna let him go.
Here,
'cause
show us the toad though first.
Oh.
Oh, he's on the run. There he
I'm
goes,
not
guys.
gonna capture him because I don't have the environment that's right in these buckets for him right now.
Where'd he go? I can't get him. He's too fast.
Okay, now show him the geese.
There he is.
Now show him the geese.
Mommy.
Show him the geese, Mom.
Mommy.
Yes.
Daddy's just gonna leave his stroller there.
That's okay. We can leave the stroller there. It's not going to go anywhere. Unless the unidentified beast comes back.
They're gonna come back till night.
I'm trying to find the geese. Where are
Walk
they?
Down there, honey. Be careful.
Oh, they're over there. Excuse me. I don't know. You guys probably can't even see that. I hope you can, but maybe not. Okay. August, careful. You're getting too far ahead. Okay, princess. You need me to hold your hand?
Wait here until you guys get down.
Come on. Come on down here, babes. Come through here.
Once you get down here.
Sweating. I don't like to sweat. Chakra Bunny does not sweat. Come on, baby. Are you sure you don't need me to hold your hand?
No.
Okay. Ouch. Ow. I don't like weeds.
Come on, Mom.
I'm coming.
I'm gonna scoop up some water
this is bugging
in
me.
my bucket, okay, Mom?
Yes.
Hold on. Make sure no thing takes this. What was that? Hold on. I see something moving in the water.
Okay, so this is what you guys couldn't see last time.
Be close.
This is right across the street from where we live. Or from the house where I'm living at right now. It's not a permanent residence for me, but
No.
it's absolutely
You're
gorgeous.
too close. No. I don't want you putting water in there because then I have to kill you.
Yeah, August is just doing this, you guys, for his video, okay?
Okay. There's another one. First log I'm gonna lift. There's nothing so far. That's good. Oh, wrong bucket. I reached in the wrong bucket. Okay, let's see.
It's the water, guys.
I'm not gonna bother. I don't know what made it. Oh, there's another log right here. There's nothing under it.
Nothing?
Nope.
Okay. We're gonna keep walking, guys.
Looking cool so far.
Okay, I'm gonna pause it till we find something cool. Okay, go ahead.
I don't know where it leads. It leads under here. These are
Tell them what they are,
these
August.
little lines. These
Uh-huh.
are mole cricket tracks. They may look like snake tracks. No, they're mole cricket. It leads to here, but I'm gonna lift this up, see if I can get something.
No.
We also found these tracks
Stay still. Right here.
and looks like geese tracks over here.
Sucked in by the water is mud.
I'm trying to lift this log. It's hard.
Yeah, you're not gonna be able to get that out because it's in too deep.
I'm
Just
not
leave
sure
it. It's
which
Yeah,
okay.
there's a mole cricket under there, but I can't get to it.
Probably. It's okay.
Hey, look at this log. This is like a half submerged in water. It looks fluffy.
Anything?
Let's wait till the fog goes away so I can see.
Meg, come on.
I don't see anything. Black water. I can't see.
Okay, let's keep going then.
Found some snails, guys.
Found some snails.
There's 3.
Can you show them to the camera? Let me see if I can pan
right
it.
here?
Here, show them up close. Oops, not that close, buddy. Okay.
Oh, there's a lot under there. I'm gonna leave them to it.
Well, get your butt out of the camera, dude.
It's hard to push. Watch both of you at the same time. You can't
Okay.
see all this terrain.
Here's
Not a
where it
bicycle.
started to get good. Oh, can't lift that. I know I can lift this though.
I can't take the
I
stroller
can't
through all
see
this
it, baby.
stuff.
You don't see it?
Did you not think that through?
I can't see it
Right
on the
there,
camera.
that wiggling worm.
I know it's not showing up on the camera though.
Hi.
Hold on.
Hi, Dad.
You want to go back to the house? We can play on the swing set.
Yeah.
Because this is just...
Can we see it?
This looks as much.
Oh, there it is. Yay! I got it.
It went
son.
under the sand, so it's...
Big one right
And then
there.
there's one under here, it dug. See those dig lines? It just dug under here.
Big leech, guys. Huge.
Yeah,
Where's
that's
the other
cool.
one?
It buried.
It buried.
Well, that's good. Good enough. Sweating cats and dogs.
Hold on.
Did you get it?
Yep.
Okay. Let's keep going. I'm on
Okay.
the right track because I see a bunch of mole cricket. Oh my god. Cricket tracks. Nope, can't look that one. I know I can look this one. Oh, what's that? I've seen a waterfall that happened to here though. Let me know if we find anything cool, Mom. A waterfall just happened here. It went under this huge log. I can't get under there very well. Let's see. Right here. A little beetle. That's it. Well, not interesting. Don't show it. I know I can use this. Well, that one's deep. So deep and there's nothing under there.
Find anything, son?
But Mom?
Find anything?
No, not yet. Yeah, this one's too deep. Don't see anything. What's that? No. Nothing.
Nothing under there?
No. Let me try to see if I can lift up this one. No, I can't see. It's too murky. You know, this one already.
So beautiful.
I thought we would have seen way more by now. Oh. No. Frog, Mom, come here.
Got something?
Yep, frog.
Okay, hold
Let's
on.
put it in the bucket so they can see.
Let's see, where are you at, little guy? Let's see. Whoops, almost fell. Let's see. Oh, there he is. Yep. I see him.
Okay. Number one creature of the bucket. Also, I didn't get the leeches because I don't want them to bite on any of the creatures that I put here.
Right. Good idea. And all of the creatures we catch, we are going to release them back.
Yes.
We're just observing them.
Never, if you ever find anything cool and you want it as a pet, go see if they have it at the store and get it there. Don't keep it from wild.
Yeah, because that's not okay, right? I mean, and we have a lot of pets at home that were injured that we have and we keep, but that's just because they're injured. If there's a way for them to be healed and rehabilitated and put back into nature, then we always put them back, right, son?
Yes. And
So-
also, don't release any of your pets in the wild because it could cause a catastrophe. I know that.
Yes, it makes a
They breed
Negative-
out in the wild where they're not supposed to be, and then
makes
they go
a
insane.
negative impact on the ecosystem.
Yep.
Disturbs our fragile ecosystem, right, son?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna pause this for a while till we get something cool. This is the view behind us where we just walked up, guys. We walked up this way.
Man, I seen a mole cricket, but it dug.
So
It's pretty big.
we found
I'm gonna release
a
him.
roly-poly.
It's right there.
What do we got there? Big spider. Where is he? There he is.
Man, she's
right there.
it's a female. She is a beauty though. I'm gonna put her log back.
Hi, baby.
She's so beautiful.
Yeah, she is. The sun is starting to set a little bit. Can you see?
And that's the time where mole crickets come out.
Mm-hmm. Whoops. Sorry, guys.
Sunset.
Just trying to turn the volume up on my camera here.
Also, kids, if you're watching this, never do this at home without a parent.
Exactly.
You could get lost. And
Yes, you always want to have a
lot
parent
of
with you.
Dangerous things out here.
Normally August's hair is shorter, but he's growing it out, so he's kind of got long hair and he's sweating a little bit, I can tell.
No, not a little bit.
But
a lot
he,
of it.
yeah,
Every second.
he wants to grow it out. He wants to have long hair, so
Like my cousin Dylan did.
like his cousin Dylan, he said, yeah.
If you don't know who he is, he's my cousin.
I see some big tracks right there. I think that is either a goose or a heron. We do have herons around here.
We're here,
I hope I pronounced that right. It's those birds
Look at a
with like,
crane.
that's what I mean, like the birds with the big long beaks. I don't know if they're the same as cranes, but yeah.
Just on cam. There's some leeches and a water bug. I'm gonna try to get the water bug and not get the leeches.
Oh gosh, I see a shell right there. I see some leeches.
I'm gonna put them in
The
the
water
bucket.
bug, leeches. Okay,
Look at that water bug I caught in there.
water bug, where is it? Is that, oh, I'm afraid I can't get him. I hope that
Frog won't eat him.
yeah, that's what I was gonna
Frog won't eat
say.
him.
Oh, he has big pinchers.
Yeah, those are the toe biters, the
Holy
baby.
moly.
They
He
bite
is
and they bite
gorgeous.
hard.
Sorry, I hope that didn't make anybody sick. I panned out really quickly, guys.
Yeah, I don't want anything to like swim away. Like if I catch a minnow on cam or something, I don't want it to swim off without you catching it on cam.
Okay.
Look at this. Big ol' snail. What's this?
You gotta show it a little bit closer next time because we didn't see it.
Okay.
And hold it there for a second. Hold on. I gotta pan out. Very nice.
It's gotta focus.
Yep.
That's what you meant by pan out, right?
Yeah. Oh, there's another one, Augie. Another shell right there.
Another shell.
You see it? It's
Oh,
pretty.
yeah, that's the one that I was showing you.
It's pretty. Is it empty or is there a critter in it?
Yeah, it's empty.
It's floating, so I think it's empty. Very pretty. I said it's floating, so I think it's empty. Usually when they float, it means they're empty. Oh man, we gotta get heading back soon. It's getting dark.
No, not yet.
I'm just saying, we're only at 18 minutes, so I'm gonna pause it until we see something super cool, guys.
Oh yeah, this is a hot spot right here. This is where I found all the cool stuff. Okay, be prepared. Nope, nothing there. But over here, here's the hot spot.
Can you guys see those geese over there?
I see water bubbles.
Geese. Lots of geese.
Here's the home of Miss Tarantula. I don't know if you guys know who she is, but I saw a tarantula here.
Hmm?
I found the home of Miss Tarantula. She's under here, remember?
Oh gosh, I'm sinking in the mud.
She probably moved, but I'm gonna see because last time I looked
Yeah,
at
I
it, there was tons
remember.
of frogs.
Yep. Be careful and don't wreck her home.
Yeah,
Be mindful of her home. Ah! I'm in the mud.
think she moved somewhere else.
I think she did too. I don't see her. But there's a shell. It's a pretty one too. You see it right there.
Oh yeah.
Pretty.
This one will be.
Is it empty? If it's empty, you can take it. If it's not, you want to leave it here.
If it's
Sand ticks.
if they're on land and they're
Where is it?
if they're on land and they're next to a lake, it's empty.
I seen it somewhere. Sorry, that was my water bottle. It's a sand tick. I don't know where it went though.
This might be
We
the home
found
of
a
this
little
turtle.
tiny hermit crab chilling. See it? It's right there.
Nope.
He is right.
She definitely
See.
moved because she's not under here.
There. Boop. Doodle doot.
Okay. Cam.
Okay.
Oh,
we
look, a
found
velvet ant. A velvet ant.
tiger
A
beetle.
velvet ant. Those are really rare. Get on, Cam.
Where?
Okay.
Where?
Right there. They sting really hard. Coyote got stung by one before. Get on, Cam.
I can't find it. Oh, there it is.
The velvet ant. Don't touch.
Wow. Did you see that thing, guys? Let's see if I can get a better view of it. Where'd it go? Come here, little guy. Or girl, or something.
Don't touch it because they sting.
I won't touch it, but I'm trying to find it. Where'd she go? Hmm.
Huge cricket.
She's gone.
Huge
Okay.
cricket. It's not a mole cricket,
Huge
but it's
cricket.
a huge cricket.
Okay.
It's right here. It's in the bushes.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Get out. Get out. Buddy.
Whoa.
We're under.
Oh, there she is.
There she is.
Oh, where'd she go? Can you scare her out again?
There's a girl. Yeah, she's a girl.
Come here, darling.
Come here.
She was pretty big. I hope we can get her on camera.
Oh, there's another one.
I see her. Wait. Where'd she go?
You try to get her on camera while I look up here.
Okay.
I thought I saw something up here.
I have no idea where she went. She's gone. Oh, there she is. Come here, dearest. Hello. Sweet girl. Boop.
Yeah, they're girls.
Okay. The other one's hiding
There's a
right
snake
there.
nest, Mom.
Put their little thing back.
Snake nest.
A snake nest.
Remember?
Oh, yep. Hold on.
Snake egg.
I was trying to come over here because we found a snake burrow right here. And then there's all these little snake eggs. They're all hatched, but you can see, this is like the leather casings of the snake eggs that hatched. See, watch. Hold on, August. All
It's in the bucket.
next to the hole.
Don't worry.
So that's how we could tell that they hatched out. See? There's lots of them right here. Snake eggs. All right, I'm coming.
I'm gonna undo it.
August found a huge frog. Did you bring your shovel?
Oh yeah, a shovel.
Use your shovel.
I need to get this bad boy on camera. I need to.
Why are they doing that? Oh, that makes me nervous.
Because it's nighttime and usually that's when the predators come out.
Oh gosh.
When the sun sets, that's when they...
All right, we're gonna go a little bit further up here and then we're gonna head home, son. I didn't like the way they started calling to each other and then moving away from the shoreline.
No, it's because as soon as the sun starts to get to a certain point, they start to fly away because at night, that's when they're very vulnerable and they can't see that well.
Yeah, but something spooked them. They were coming away from the shoreline.
Common, kind of rare.
Say it again.
There's a giant frog, but I didn't get it on cam, sorry, because Mom was over there dilly-dallying. I don't know what she's doing.
I was not dilly-dallying. I was... See, Augie?
They're moving. Why? They're just moving.
This area. It's really cool when we're walking.
Do that. It makes me nervous.
What? Don't do what?
Don't film that way. It makes me nervous. Look at this huge pine cone. It's huge.
Why does it make you nervous?
I don't know. Just just a bird.
Ooh, that's a biggie. Yeah, the geese are kind of acting silly. I don't know.
Oh, maybe. You know what it is? They're probably telling each other like which way to go. Because there's usually like one that tells one where everyone goes, and then they honk at each other to tell, hey, let's go this way. Don't fly.
I know, they're landing on me too.
I hope we're not in hunting territory. What kind of track is this?
Looks like a deer track, I don't know.
Yeah, it's probably a deer track. Hey,
Yeah.
thought I saw a tiger beetle.
It's a dragonfly.
Okay, I'm gonna start stopping and lifting up logs, like really quickly. Hey, I found a fossil. Or something. I'm gonna put it down. I don't know. It might be a bone or something.
Let me see.
It looks like a fossil to me, though. Hey, another velvet ant. It's in the open, so you can get it really good.
It's a bone. Ugh.
Mom, get this on camera. It's a velvet ant, but you can see it really good this time.
Ouch.
Mommy. Look. Velvet ant right there.
Watch out, she's going really fast. Camera. Sorry guys, I'm trying to get this velvet ant. She's really fast. Oh my gosh.
See, the geese are acting fine now.
Oh, she's gone. She's
Mom, see, the geese
way
are
too
acting
quick.
fine. Look, they're acting fine now. There's a bunch of frogs. I'm gonna try to catch a couple.
Whoa, I see him, yeah.
Oh, you see that one right there? Got it. I think. Oh, where did it go? I told you we'd find something cool here. Look at all these snails.
Snails?
Jackpot of snails. Look,
Coming on down.
I'm sinking.
Your
like,
shoes, dude. Be careful.
it's good.
What was that?
It's a huge frog.
Are those frogs?
frog? No, it was a huge frog.
Oh.
That was a big frog. I don't know where it went. To make the wind gust
Oh
that
yeah.
much.
These are
Here, wait,
all
it's right here.
snails right here. Do you see them? All those little black things are snails. There's a lot of them, guys. Oh my gosh. That is insane. Do you see that? Those are all snails. They're everywhere.
I felt something bump my hand.
Ow.
I'm trying to see what it is.
Is that a water bottle?
Mom, do you want to help me try to catch this big old frog?
I just seen one go right here. In there. Where'd it go? He was in there somewhere. Oh, I don't know where he went. He buried. They're quick.
I need my shovel. Where's my buckets? Oh,
Over there. Yuck. You're gonna have to get a bath after this.
yeah, it's fine. Don't worry. Even though it looks like I'm sinking, guys, it's not enough to... This isn't quicksand. It's not going to, like, suck me in all the way.
Oh my gosh, your shoes.
It's just really deep mud. Well, not really deep, but it's mud that's... Whoa! Whoa! I don't know if you guys can see. Oh, how deep do these things dig? I'll try.
Alright guys, the geese just left, all of them in a really big hurry. So we feel like there might be a predator in the area. We're getting nervous, so we're gonna take off. Come on, let's go up this way. We're gonna take the road. Let's go. Yeah.
Are you kidding? That's where they were flying away from.
Well, it's much safer than going back that way into the woods. Come on, let's go.
I think we should go. They're flying really far.
Yeah,
It must mean it's a big predator.
there's a predator, like a bear or
It
something.
must mean there's a bear because they're flying really far.
Oh shit. What kind of tracks are those? I mean, oh shoot. Are those bear tracks? Dude, look. Really, really big tracks. You see those?
Those are
Augie.
coyote. I've seen those in a book. Those are coyote
Look,
tracks.
look.
Those are coyote tracks. Come on.
Oh man, they're really deep too. Look. Oh yeah, we gotta go.